You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these words once and for all correctly and completely. Yes, I know many people mispronounce it. I want to make sure you get it correctly. Hassle. Make sure you pronounce the H, alright? If you do not, it's going to sound like something pretty bad you're saying. So, stress on the first syllable. English pronunciation, how to pronounce ha. It's an ha sound. Hassle. Hassle. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.